Hey everybody. Okay. Hey everybody, and today it is me again. And today I'm going to be talking about 5 different things that are about me. So, 5 different things about me. Fact number 1. I go through about 6 different hairstyles a day. That is very true. Fact number 2. I'm a girly girl. I love dresses. And everything pretty. Fact number 3. I'm sort of a geek. But I don't care. It's me. It's fun. Fact number 4. I have a lot of books. I haven't really read them all. I'll get to it. And fact number 5. I don't know what this is. I'm crazy. That's it. So for this video, have a nice day. Bye!